all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world away, and it's good to be back with this one. We got part 7 of Deagostini's Build Your Own X-Wing. Now let me get this right, I think subscribers in the UK are on issue 10 at the moment. In the shops you can buy issue 2. In America I think you guys are probably on issue 30 or 40, coming up with that. I don't know when I'm getting these, this is why they're sporadic when they come out, but the good thing is I have got 7 and 8 delivered. This one's going to be quite an interesting one because what we're doing is we're going to be working on the wing, and look how big that is. Oh, look, bits are coming out here. If this is my wearer screwdriver, that wing is bigger than that. So you're looking probably around about 20 to 25 centimetres. Now, let me just bring the wing out actually. The wing is looking just like that. It is the sort of material that the Falcon was made out of. This isn't metal, it's sort of like a some sort of plastic. I don't know what polymer it is. But this issue, we don't need our screwdriver at all. We're going to be doing is pushing pieces into it. So we've got the side edge for the wing here. We've got an adapter to put in the end just there. And then we're going to be putting these plates in. And that's it. Now, they gave us the optional thing that we can actually put one of the laser cannons on just to see how that looks. So, of course, I'm going to do that. And then in the next issue, as you can see there, issue 8, we've got just a little bit of the internal wing frame and external wing details here. So we're still going to be working on the wing just in these 2 issues. So not a lot to do in that one. So I've been waiting, how long? 2 months for this? I'm hoping they'll become a little bit more regular. From what I understand, the subscribers getting them every month. When the retailer's caught up with you, then you start to get 4 a month, pretty much like the normal subscriptions, so that'll be coming soon. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Okay, so there's only 5 parts, as I mentioned, just in this issue. We've got these 2 details here, the edge and a connector here, and it's the edge that we want first. Basically, we're going to be looking at this edge just here. Show you on the close-up camera that has got these indents in it, just like that. This is going to be pressed into place just on this edge. Now it does go in a certain way. As you can see, this edge here, we've got a thicker end here with a thicker detail to the thinner detail. The thicker detail goes on to the wider part of the wing. So this is what we're going to be pushing in. Now this is why we do need our screwdrivers for this, because when we got it in, we need to push it down. So they're asking us to use our screwdriver just to push them into the recesses that it goes so it won't fall out. So I'm just going along, pushing that in as we go to make sure that that is all the way in there. And there we go. That's all the way in, looking just like that. As you can see, it doesn't come out at all. Perfect. Now we're going to be putting the laser cutter support in. That's going to go into this section just here. This is what the laser cannon support looks like. As you can see, it's got a round end. We're going to turn that round so that the round end takes to the bottom of this square here. So when we push it in, all of these are pushed in. It's got to fit flush to that, so push it down as far as it will go. It's going to look that way round, looking just like that. And then we're just going to be doing the power couplings, which look like this. Now you've got 2 different types. You've got one which has got 1 recess there, and if we keep turning it around, you've got 2 recesses on the other side, and the other one here has only got 1 recess. So the first one we want is the one that's got the 2 recesses. And that's basically going to be put into this section just here, just over the top of that hole there. As you can see, you've got a little lug there that's going to go into that. And when we put it in, we need to put it at an angle. So the angle they've got is where this rib is running down through the ring. It's basically going to intersect with the clear section there. I think what's probably best is if I put this on, and then you can get an idea of where it's going to go. Now you are limited to where you can put this on because obviously the recesses, but the recesses should be there and on the other side there, and then that's that one in. And then when we put the second piece on, obviously we've got the 1 recess here. That recess is just going to sit against this edge here. So when we put it on, it's going to go on sort of like this. Put that down, and then if I show you how the recess looks, it's going to look just like that against this rib that's going down there. And then that's the 2 power couplings on. So basically, we've done 2 power couplings, we've done the edge here, and we've put the a little adapter for the laser cannon on there. Now, if we wanted to see what that looks like with the laser cannon on, the laser cannon will fit into these holes here, just along this edge that's got the holes there. So when this goes on, it's going to sort of fit on like that, and wow. Just doing that shows you how big this thing's going to be. That is ginormous. Let me zoom out a bit. There we go. I've zoomed out a bit there. I can't even show it all on camera, but we know that this is about 40 centimeters long, just this cannon here. But that, there's my hand. Look, that's ginormous. absolutely ginormous. And, well, that was a nice reveal that I didn't expect, I have to say. That was really good. There we go. That's the wing done. And then we're going to be continuing that in the next issue. That should be coming later in the week. Let me know what we got coming this week. Hopefully we'll have Terminator 31 coming, M32. We're going to be having Bismarck 30... What we on? 33, I believe, of the Bismarck. We've got a couple of DeLoreans to do. I'm still waiting for issue 140 of the DeLorean, but I do have issue 143 down there. And we've got an Iron Man giveaway, which will start on Monday. And I said I'll show you how to enter that. It's going to be on Twitter, so make sure you've got a Twitter account, because I can't do giveaways on Facebook because of their terms and conditions, which is a bit crazy, but there you go. So get yourself a Twitter account, and I'll show you how we're going to do this competition next week. The competition is going to run for 2 weeks. So that it gives everyone a chance, and I'll keep plugging it in all the videos next week as well. But I have got loads and loads of the Iron Man to give away. But let me just show you on the floor down there. Can you see that big pile? Let's move my leg. That's Iron Man issue 1s, and I think I've got one issue 2. So someone who's going to want a helmet is really going to want an issue 1. You're going to win an issue 2. But anyway, it's a win. A win's a win, and you ain't got to pay or anything to enter the competition. It's just hashtags. That's what we're going to use. Anyway, listen, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. Take care.